taken around forever, digging in everywhere to know. Maybe you found whatever, a piece of the place to call your own. What does your book advise you? Why do you feel inside you now? Woo! I'll crawl along beside you, gonna misguide you anyhow. These are the hands that hold our fate. These are the shoulders holding the weight. Hope grows like snowflakes on the walls, and like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. You were my older brother, could have been any other way. Did everything together, and God only knows what you would say. The journey is long and lonely, there's only a light you left to go. You can pretend to show me, it's only a time we'll never know. These are the hands that hold our world. These are the eyes that shine like pearls. Hope grows 100 stories tall, and like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. Like the snow we fall. And I said the seas to get here. I fought disease to reach your shores, given an arm to get near, only to find the closing door. Follow your heart, they instruct. And where would you start the construct here? What is the code of conduct? Is there a code to disappear? These are the hands that hold our lives. These are the poison, these are the knives. Hope grows like hatred in the grove. And like the snow we fall. 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 Come on, Berlin, let's fucking sing. Woo. And like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall. And like the snow we fall.